Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying the account state and connectivity so Google Voice can accept the request. First, sign into the same Google account in an incognito window to rule out extensions. This isolates the session. Next, make sure your account is verified and two-step verification is enabled if prompted, because Voice often requires extra security. Once done, confirm your account type and country eligibility. Many problems arise from unsupported account types or region restrictions, so handle those before continuing. Now you'll fix common access blockers by resetting how the browser and account talk to Google Voice. Clear cache and cookies, or use a different browser to eliminate stale tokens that block authorization. That often fixes denied access immediately. If that fails, go into Google Account Security and revoke any existing Voice app permissions, then re-grant them so fresh tokens are issued. Finally, inspect workspace or school admin controls. Restricted installations or blocked APIs are a frequent cause and must be lifted by an admin. Finish by running the Google Voice setup flow and selecting your number. Follow the verification prompts and confirm any requested phone pairing. Once configured, restart your device and open both the app and web interface to ensure settings sync properly. If you still cannot access Voice, capture the exact error messages and screenshots, then contact Google Support with your account ID and those details so they can trace service-side issues. One troubleshooting tip: test using a personal Gmail if workspace accounts remain blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.